What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 9 o'clock, we have factory orders and the JOLTS job opening. And from 9:10 to 12:30, we have Fed Speaker Bauman, Mester, William, and Daly. Now, it's never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you do choose to trade during unpredictable price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And if you saw Powell's speech last week, this open was no surprise to anyone. As soon as the market opened, price gapped up. We did get this big move down, the bulls finding support right at the opening range and pushing price higher, retesting this level of resistance. Now, we did get this big move down, and towards the end of the session, we did get a retest of what possibly could be an area of resistance. And because of that, this is what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. Now, we actually triple bottomed in this area. And even though price struggled to push higher, price did push up into a potential area of resistance. Now, if the bulls want to continue to push price higher, the bulls are going to have to trade through this area of resistance. Now, with this big move down, you know that there's going to be bears sitting above these highs. So I'm looking for the bears to come in and try to take price lower. Now, if the bulls do fail here, I believe that price is going to be looking for lower prices, and we can break Wednesday's low of 378, I believe, and we can push price lower to that 320, 280 level. So this level right here is crucial for the bulls if they want to continue price higher. And if they fail, we have a lot of room for downside this week and next week. Now, we do have Fed speakers speaking tomorrow. We do have the JOLTS job report. And usually when the Fed speak, any member, they usually pump the market. So I am interested to see if we do get this move down overnight and the Fed pumps the market back up, or if the price slowly grinds overnight, getting into these areas of resistance, possibly consolidating in the range until we get the news release. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. This is an ES chart. And just like the NQ, we got this big move up at open, the bulls failing to continue this move higher, and we got this big move down. And we got this double bottom here. Now, just like the NQ, this is a crucial area for the bulls to overcome and the bears to defend. If we can get a move of going through this area, we can possibly see a retest of either this structure or this structure, and possibly finding resistance at the bottom of this range. Or if the bulls fail here, just like the NQ, I can see price going all the way down to about 275 to 270, somewhere in this area where they've had prior support. If the bulls fail to protect this area, price will definitely trade through this, using the stops as fuel to find lower prices. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So today I'm ending the day up 5K. I did copy trade this, but for some reason the copier didn't take all my trades. So my second account, I only got 3 to 4K in that account, netting a profit of around 8 to 9K. My trading partner today actually broke a milestone, a personal milestone. He copy traded 3 accounts, made 10K across all 3, netting a total of 30K. Make sure you check out his stream where you can see that happen live. But today was a bittersweet day. I did blow one of my accounts. I was up over 100 points in a position that I allowed to come back on me. I did mismanage that account. I allowed my ego to not take profits, and when price went against me, I did try to scale into this, and I did try scaling in, trying to catch a falling knife in that account. And unfortunately for that account, I blew it in the process. But my current goal is to be efficient with my trading. I have my entries down. I'm working on my exits, and I can become overzealous with my exits once I see momentum, and once the momentum dies down and I usually take the drawdown, I usually find myself holding a winning position that turns red. And that's something that I'm going to continue to work on. But that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal, because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.